Welcome. Now, everybody loves to quote things like Revelation and Genesis and Exodus, but many people don't read things like Malachi too much. So, let's go ahead and start with Malachi today. Chapter 1. The Lord's love for Israel. Malachi 1. A declaration, a message from the Lord to Israel by Malachi. The Lord's love for Israel. I've loved you, says the Lord. But you ask, how have you loved us? Was not Esau Jacob's brother? Declares the Lord, yet I loved Jacob. Rejected Esau, turned his mountains into a wasteland, and gave his inheritance to desert jackals. Even though Edom may claim, we were crushed, but we will return and rebuild the ruins. This is what the Lord of the Heavenly Armies says. They may rebuild, but I'll demolish people. People will claim, or will call them the wicked land, and the people with whom the Lord is forever angry. Your own eyes will see this, and you will say, great is the Lord, even beyond the borders of Israel. So that's the first story of Malachi. Let's go ahead and go back to that first story a second. What do we understand from this? Supposedly the fact that God, which to me is Elohim, has said that he can love you even if your brother has wronged him. That therefore it's not an immediate smiting of the entire family. Although in other passages he does say that sons and daughters of the wicked will potentially, for 7 generations, be smited or otherwise punished. And he says forever, so he can hold it a lot longer than that, just by that. And that even outside of the land of Israel, those that are his, he loves. You don't have to be physically within Israel for it. Sure that I'll think of some more things in a little while. But let's go ahead and how do I want to say this? Yep. Good evening.